Lower the laser to its lowest height. Pass the air pipe through the fixing hole. Connect the air tube to the laser air tube interface. Move the laser to the far right, measure the reserved length of the trachea, and fix the trachea with the tape. Move the laser to the far left. Confirm that the fixed air pipe position does not affect the operation of the chain track. Fix the left side trachea with a rolling band, cut off the excess strips. Move the laser to the upper left corner to measure the reserved length of the trachea. Bend the hose inwards and insert the air pipe into the reserved groove. Mobile laser makes it easier to install the air pipe. Insert the air pipe into the slot one by one. Pass the air pipe through the reserved hole and connect it to the air pump. Move the laser left and right, front and back, to ensure that the air pipe does not affect the operation of the machine.